tweyanziza nnyo ab'ekumi na kwanda boyugi era nawa subscribe ng'okola omulimu gw'amaanyi nnyo nnyo. Nali njagala bategeeza nti no ebyamukulu Aviator ne Mina kirabika ebintu bituuse ku nkomekerero. Njagala mubyewulirireko nga Mina kennyini abeeyogerera. Naye nga tetunagenda wala madde nsaba kano ka video kampule like subscribing mutima omulungi. Agalanya.
They're going to see you. Najma, someone sees you. Mercy. Mgenzi wa mwana wa wali mgenzi wa James no? Umani? Odanga. The smoker is in another country. That's not a bit again. We are recording. Don't record. I'm not going to say anything about anything for now. I know someone is recording. I know. But I'm recording out some money. Do for me a video of Kahwa and Julie. Which one is that? It's a Rutoro song. You deserve the best. Coach, take it up because I am the best. I deserve the best. Yeah. That was a punchline. I'm even tired. How are you, mommy? I'm fine, darling. How are you? How's life? Yamwe. Najma tatusa. Tatusanire. Timanire no manisaki baby timbikenge. Mommy, say hi to Najma. Najma is a celebrity. Someone is saying hi. Seems you have been crying. Me crying? Me? I'm a gangster. I can't cry for small boys. That's a punchline routine. I don't cry for big. I only cry for big boys. Big boys. Big boys.
Not small boys.
Not small boys with with rubbish. Okay, I'm not trying to say anything bad, but all I can say right now, I don't cry for small boys. Have you ever had that yaman? Yaman, you wabra. Crying, and now I'm going to Joel. Oh my God, let me even sip my son. And the guy don't sip no alcohol. Let me sip my son because crying. I cannot. Hi, darling. You guys follow my small sister. She's called Miriam. Please follow her. She's my small sister. She's very cute. You like her. She does very nice videos. Follow her, but you know,
Who is Miriam?
My sister from another mother in another country. A boy who can't even proud of his job. He deserves the best. I don't know your name, but I'm going to follow you. A boy. You take it the boy part. Eh? The boy part is nice. I like the boy part. But thank you. You have only kings. She's so Aviator without filters. You guys can make me laugh. Tell me more. I work in the Aviator. You know, Rosetta in a filter.
No, he's ever using filters. He's a bitch.
She's in fact Tumuruke in Diva.
It's a bitch.
No, it's Stella. You tell us what happened, what and who, why. You're too cute to be in those fake boys. Punchline.
Okay.
You guys are just giving me those punchlines. But that's why you're much in the bandeke. Another problem, you come and say hi. My small sister, y'all. Put your hands together and say hello. You Hey. Yeah, that's my small sister. You're still young, choose wisely. I got this.